walk you through how you can be able to claim your own NFT. That's a McLaren F1 collectibles. Okay, you can see right here I've got only two collectible right here. That is, from here I've got only two collectible, which is this one that I claimed earlier and this one that I claimed recently. Okay, so now let me walk you through how you can claim yours in the very easy steps. So the first thing is just to go to our Telegram channel right here. Then you go ahead and copy this link, and then you head to your Trust Wallet or MetaMask, depending on the one you are using. Okay, so when you open your Trust Wallet, then you go ahead and click on the browser icon. Okay, so we click on the browser icon, then you're gonna have to paste the link that you just copied. When you press it, you ask you to paste, then it will take you to the home screen of the McLaren web browser or website rather. Okay, so what I need to do is to click on where the rows claim yours. Now when you click on it, it's gonna ask you to claim yours again. Just go ahead and click on claim yours. Okay, so when you click on it, then you're gonna have to wait. You select use wallet instead. Do not use social, use wallet to be easy. Then I'm using this I'm using Trust Wallet obviously, so I click on it. Then I'm gonna have to connect. So the website is secure, so we are connecting, we are granting permission, then you wait for it to connect successfully. Now that we are connected, then you're gonna have to just simply click on claim here. So you solve the captcha, just check the box. Then I'm gonna have to verify that I'm not an alien. So okay, here we go. I'll click on verify. Then it's successfully verified I'm not a robot. So you can see that delivery is in progress, and in just a few minutes I will be receiving my own NFT. So in this NFT, you can actually do this every weekend. Okay, so it works majorly on every weekend. So if you are trying it let me say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and it is not working, then you're gonna have to have patience. Then you're gonna have to claim it during the weekend. And guess what, I'm gonna be telling you more things. Okay, boom, you can see that congratulations, I've successfully claimed my own collectible. Okay, so we are not just doing this for fun. A lot of goodies are going to be attached to this. And guess what, when you were able to claim all the 23, I guess when you are able to claim all of them, then you are going to be entitled to a lot of bonuses or reward. Okay, so make sure you are doing this every weekend. We are hoping for the best. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.